How to become instantly irresistible and attract someone special for true love, using, of course, the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are still soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe on this channel you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. Be sure and visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Find out what miracle mentoring can do for your life. How to become instantly irresistible and attract someone special that you desire for true love. So think about this. How are people attracted? Is it strictly looks? How many times have you been attracted to someone, or say not attracted to someone? You weren't immediately attracted to that person, and you got talking to them and you got to know each other, and the next thing you know, there was some kind of unique chemistry that took place. You see, we all have our ideal list. Our ideal list of, well, he has to be this tall, she has to be this weight. I mean, these color eyes, this color hair. We all have it, right? And guess what happens? The universe just blows it apart. Because from time to time, we run into somebody that just changes our life completely, and they don't fit into the box. So why is that? The answer, high flyers, is that people are attracted on a subconscious level. Listen, if you don't learn anything from this video, people are attracted on a subconscious level. Now, 8% of our total thinking ability is consciousness. The other 92% is your subconscious. We put all of our effort in. If you go around YouTube or on the internet, Google or other places, and look up articles, almost all of it is putting its energy and emphasis on the 8%, the consciousness. But if you learn to put your energy and emphasis on your 92%, you just instantly become like super magnetic and super attractive, and people find you attractive, and sometimes they don't even know why, because you have a certain glow, a certain vibration, a certain magnetism that just draws people to you. So high flyers, before we go any further, toward the end of this video, I'm going to release some information that will give you an incredible edge, an unstoppable edge in making yourself irresistible, attractive, and pulling in somebody that you desire for true love. Coming back to the subconscious mind, your subconscious, in order to increase your magnetism, increase your attractiveness, must be free of fear, must be free of doubt. I wonder if she likes me. I wonder if she cares about me. I wonder if she's interested in me. I wonder if he likes me. I wonder if he thinks I'm attractive. Doubt, worry. He hasn't called in 3 weeks. What's going on? What's happening? Limiting beliefs. Maybe it'll never work out. Maybe it was never meant to work out. All of those kinds of thoughts, when they're amplified in your subconscious mind, they stop you from becoming magnetic and attracting the person that you desire into your life for true love. So how do you become irresistible and attract that special person into your life for true love? Well, get control of your subconscious mind. Number 1, affirmations. Positive I am affirmations every single day, high flyers, about who you are, what you're becoming, how you're attractive, how you're magnetic. And then incantations. And incantation is a direct command to the subconscious mind. Now, Neville Goddard says the subconscious is like a woman. It doesn't like to be commanded. So ask your subconscious mind in a nice way. I am calling upon my subconscious mind to release my inner confidence, my inner magnetism, and my inner power. That's an example. You can come up with all kinds of wonderful, creative incantations. It's a direct request to your subconscious. Okay, remember, 92% of all attraction is on a subconscious level. Okay, and then of course, affirmations. When do you do affirmations? When you're falling asleep at night, when you're waking up in the morning, when you're taking your shower, when you're on the treadmill at the gym, whatever you're doing, be reinforcing your subconscious mind with personal power and magnetism using positive affirmations. By shifting your own inner vibration, you defy normal standings or expectations. What do I mean by that? Let's say that you're a little overweight. I had a boss named Marty. He was 400 pounds. Okay, he was a little bit overweight. Marty didn't have any hair. Yeah, okay. But was he tall? No, Marty was short. But guess what? Marty had a beautiful wife who had appeared in Penthouse or Playboy magazine, was a model, and she was a drop-dead gorgeous wife. How did Marty do this? You say money. Well, Marty didn't always have money. How did he do it? He did it because he had the confidence. She had dated a lot of men, but nobody that had the inner magnetism and the inner confidence like Marty. So they got married, and then he became rich, and then she even loved him more. Get the idea? But he became rich because he was confident as well. He was confident with money. He was confident in love. He was confident about himself. So high flyers, as you shift your inner landscape, guess what? You start to attract more of what you desire. You become irresistible. You know, high flyers, people that are irresistible, that are just like super magnetic, they don't chase. They're not calling up all the time saying, hey, did you get the gift I sent you in the mail? Oh, gee, it's her birthday next week. I better send a birthday card. Oh, it's the anniversary of her pet dying. I better send a flower. That kind of thing. They don't do that. They attract people to come to them. And I know what you may be thinking. I don't have that kind of magnetism, Robert. Yes, you do. Do not doubt that magnetism is within you. It's part of divine energy flowing through your body, flowing through your energy system. All you have to do is learn how to control that magnetism with your thoughts and your beliefs and your actions. So high flyers, give up the stalking. No more stalking on Facebook or Instagram. Cut them off of social media if you have to. No more texting, no more drunk dialing, no more following them around, no more asking friends about how they're doing. Do they like you? That's the worst question you can ask. Ask a friend, do you think they like me? Of course they like you. You got the confidence. You got the mojo. You have the power, the magnetism that makes you irresistible because you have some of the following characteristics. These characteristics that I'm about to share with you will teach you how to take your vibe and make it irresistible for true love. Number one, confidence. Every major survey, every sociological survey that has been done as to the number one factor in attractiveness was confidence. Confidence. You know, women prefer taller men. And they thought that that was simply biological. Well, taller men, you know, stronger, bigger, can survive. Very primal in our thinking. We're still primal animals. But then they found out that women believed that taller men had more confidence. But that isn't true. We know that. Marty could tell you for sure that that isn't true. Okay? And others like him. Confidence, number one factor. Love without fear. Oh, I love that. Love without fear. Stop holding back your desire to love. Let go of the stuff, the ugly stuff from the past, and allow your heart to be open to true love. Give up being cynical. Being cynical doesn't make you irresistible. It makes you kind of yucky, you know? Living in the past. You know, so you get together, your first or second date, and all you're doing is talking about your ex. Come on now. Give up the past. Occasionally the past will pop into the present, and you bring it up or talk about it then. But you don't have to have these long, drawn-out conversations with new people that you meet about all the bad relationships you've been in. Have fun, smile, laugh. There is nothing more physically magnetic than a smile. And be positive. You know, people are automatically attracted to positive people. It's like bees to honey. You know, I mean, it just pulls people toward you, and it will pull the person that you desire for true love. Now, here's a big secret. Don't spend your time wondering how they feel about you or thinking about how you feel about them. Spend your time focusing on how much they miss you, how much they want to text you, how much they want to see you, how much they want to spoil you, how much they want to be in your presence. Give yourself 5 minutes, just 5 minutes every single day. Close your eyes and visualize their hunger, their desire growing for you. And see yourself, feel yourself as irresistible, because you are. You are irresistible, and you deserve all the love that you desire. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.